Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Okra, corn, and tomatoes on the menu today, and I added a little shrimp for extra. Here's what you need for tomatoes, corn, and okra. Now, naturally, you're going to need the okra, the corn. I'm going to use diced tomatoes out of a can, but the other two I'm going to use frozen. So I'm going to use a seasoned salt, garlic pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and a crushed red pepper. All right, now if you shied away from this dish all of these years because you don't like okra or your okra is slimy, I'm going to show you a little trick right here. So keep your okra from being slimy. If you like okra, I like okra, but I don't like the slime. So, courtesy of my sister-in-law many years ago, may she rest in peace, but courtesy of my sister-in-law, I learned this trick when I was making gumbo. And she told me, just fry it up a little bit, keeps it from being so slimy in your dish. Alright, so all we want to do, once we get this okra in here, is we want to stir it. Just keep stirring it and keep your heat like on a medium high. So don't put it too high, but put it like on a medium high. So you want to put a little seasoning, of course season every step of the way. So you want to put a little seasoning on this okra, but you want to keep stirring and you want to make sure some oil in the bottom of the pan is going to fry it. So as we fry this okra, you're going to watch this, you're going to see a lot of strings in the beginning. You're going to see a lot of those little slime strings or whatever you want to call it. You're going to see a lot of those, and as we go along in the next couple of minutes, you're going to see that most of those strings will disappear. Now, you won't get rid of all of them, but after you add the other ingredients, you won't see it in your dish either. So when you pick up a forkful, you will not see the stringiness from the okra. You won't see that. So look at that. You see, as I keep stirring, you see I'm letting it go for a little bit, fry up a little bit on that medium-high heat. Now remember, it's on medium-high. So you want to keep stirring it, so just look at that. So I'm stirring, really stirring it around because I want you to see it. So you see all of those strings almost look like spider webs. But as we get towards the end and like the next minute or a minute and a half on here, you want to see that we're not going to have as many strings. So you see so many, but we're not going to see as many. And it is not those strings are not dissolving quickly enough for you, then put some more oil in the pan. It's perfectly okay to do that. You just want to drain it before you put the corn and the tomatoes in. So look at that. Now, towards the end, so you keep going. So you do this as long as you want to do it until you see a really small amount of these strings. And after you see not so many of them, that is when you're going to add your corn and your tomatoes. Like right here. So let the corn go a little bit. And the other thing you can do with this dish, if you like, after we put the tomatoes in, you can put some tomato sauce in here. And it'll give it a little bit of a sauce. I just don't like mine with that sauce in it like that. But if you see some other people cook it, you may see a little bit of sauce in there. So you might want to put a little bit of sauce in it for yourself, if that's the way you like it. Now, I like mine more like this. So here it is. I'm adjusting the seasonings again because I've added the tomatoes and the corn. So that's what you want to do too. You want to taste it, and then you want to adjust the seasonings to your liking. And this is almost done. Trust me on that. All right, we're back. About 30-35 minutes later. What I want to do is I want to put the shrimp in. So I use the smallest shrimp like the 5160s. I use those. And what you want to do is you want to get the shrimp in here like this. And then put the top back on it. Put the top back on it and let it go. And the top on it, this is what it looks like. So you can use bigger shrimp, more shrimp. Do anything you want to do. Thanks for watching Savory Spices. See y'all next time. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.